Are you looking to strengthen your immune system? This video will help you do just that. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices are perfect for boosting your body with nutrients. Today, we bring you a wonderful juice recipe packed with the goodness of beetroot, carrot and apple, along with tangy flavor of lemon. This will not only keep you energized but also help in boosting immunity. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, vital for boosting health and improving immunity. Beets contain vitamin C, zinc, iron, antioxidants, and other important nutrients to promote a healthy immune system. This helps to keep away pesky colds and flu viruses. Immunity-boosting foods like beets help ensure a strong defense against bacteria, viruses, and infections. Beets are packed with folic acid, which is vital for maintaining healthy cells in our bodies. Beets are powerful detoxifiers due to the high levels of betalain, which helps the liver process fats and other toxins. This indirectly supports the immune system. Today's immunity-boosting beetroot juice is a great way to naturally boost your immunity. As this is a natural recipe, it is free of any side effects. Before we get started with the recipe, give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying our immunity-boosting recipes. Also, share it with a friend who would find this helpful. Here are the ingredients you'll need to prepare the beetroot juice. 1 apple. 1 medium carrot. 1 teaspoon crushed ginger. 1 medium beetroot. Handful of fresh mint. Half a lemon. The method of preparation is super easy. All you need to do is mix all the ingredients together and blend them in a juicer, and the juice is ready. Beets and lemons are packed with vitamin C. Increasing your vitamin C intake is essential to boost your immune system. Try out this simple yet nutritious natural juice and keep your immunity boosted. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite immunity-boosting recipe is. Subscribe to our channel for more such natural recipes.